Cassandra Martin is a very popular fitness star in the USA. The girl is well built physically. She pays special attention to her biceps, which have grown up to 40 centimeters. At the same time, despite her cute appearance, Cassandra combines her workouts with work at a construction site. Cassandra Martin is from the USA. Today he lives in California. The girl has been fond of hobbies that are not peculiar to girls since childhood. She preferred playing football and basketball to dolls. I grew up as a kid. Even after graduating from college, Cass chose the male profession of a builder. Together with her boyfriend, the girl built real houses. She mixed concrete, hammered nails and worked with a jackhammer. That is, the girl had physical training initially. Later, her boyfriend showed Cassandra the world of fitness and bodybuilding. The girl was very interested. Cassandra was motivated by the success of American bodybuilders. I watched a training video with Ronnie Coleman. And at the age of 23, I decided to seriously engage in power sports. However, she didn't want to be a huge bodybuilder. Cass chose a path where she would become moderately muscular and retain feminine features. In 2016, the girl decided to show her workouts on social networks and immediately gained huge popularity. Today, 2 million people are watching her Instagram. People are impressed by the healthy lifestyle of a girl and a moderately pumped-up body. Today Cassandra is a popular fitness star, has advertising contracts with Gymshark and Vanquish sports brands. The girl trains 6 days a week. Every day is a new muscle group. With a height of 165 centimeters, she weighs only 60 kilograms, biceps 40 centimeters. But just look at the quality.